Elasticity is not linear, it varies as the price changes. Each SKU has its own elasticity. Every SKU in a portfolio will have different volume and profit uplifts. So you need to sum all SKUs in a range for true portfolio impact. To get to the elasticity section, go to the View Project page and click the green Portfolio Output button. This downloads an Excel version of the Optimizer tool for 10 products plus other insights. If it opens in protected view, it's because it's been downloaded via the web. Just click the Enable Editing button. The file opens on the Sales Driver dashboard page. For elasticity, go to the Portfolio 10 page listed at the bottom. The elasticity summary is at the bottom, so scroll down or click the blue Go to Summary button. Scroll a little further. The structure of the tables has the current level in orange. Price percentage change going down to the right and up to the left versus current. First section is the elasticity. First product shows -2.44. The minus means the volume goes in the opposite direction to the price. This can be seen in the next section as the percentage volume change shows price down 3%, volume up 7%. In the summaries further down, you see the impact on total volume at each price change, but also the total supplier or brand profit using current commercials. So to answer the question, can I increase my prices profitably? Prices going up to the left and brand total portfolio profit going up as well. So in this example, yes, you can. Total profit pool goes down and the retailer profit also falls. If any of the products have a weak price-to-volume relationship or R-square, the system defaults to ignore them. As seen here for SKU 7, which has a low R-square. To include it in the figures below, simply put the number 1 in the yellow cell. This adds it to the volume and profit summaries and portfolio totals.